Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will discuss about what is the purpose of constructs and specify method in Cypress. So these two methods are there and it will be we are using it will be like our test case will be good while looking that. Okay, so let's start our test case. This is like very easy. Like we can say when we are using the any of the test cases, like described block is there, it block is there. Instead of that, we can use that constant contact construct method and specify methods. Okay, so let's see. We'll try. We'll create another test case like context and and specify dot cy.js. Okay. So this is like I'll give the example of that and we can take the copy paste of this one. Okay. So it will be good only. Okay. Okay. So what is it? This is a timeout test case. So we are not supposed to do the timeout test case. We have to do our test case. Okay. So describe block used describe block. Yeah, method also we can say. Okay. Okay. And used it block for widget URL. I'm giving that some meaningful name and it will be like good only when you want to do. Okay. Okay, there is two test cases are there, two it blocks are there. We can define here also. Okay. Use use it block for a set element on web page. Okay. Now context and specified your dot this one is there. Okay, this is like general test cases. Like this is a describe block is there, it block is there, and we can use it. Okay, so this is okay. So what will come? We want to discuss about the context and specify. I can say context is the alias of describe block, and specify is the alias of it block. Okay, so I think some of the some I think you guys know not aware about the alias, so we will cover in the next video also for alias. What is the alias and how it will be work. Okay, and you know this multiple describe log we can define in the our test case. Okay, you can see I will copy paste everything and I'm going to down. Okay, you can see. Okay, so what will happen at this moment? This is a describe is there. Okay, instead of you can use our context you can use it. Both are similar, working is similar, but I can say context is alias of describe. We can use the use construct block. Okay, this thing is there. Second thing is it block to specify. Okay, used specify block to widget URL. Use specify specify block to a set. Okay, here also specify. So like that we can use it. Okay, let's see, we will run the test case, it should work. So this is like a new things. Suppose if you want to doing any of the test cases. Okay, and someone someone you want to see your test. Oh, then you say, oh, you are using the describe, instead of describe you are using the contract. This is like good way.
Now the question is little bit like look like it's very good, and someone will ask to you what is the difference between describe and context. Then you can say that there is no much difference, but context is the alias of describe. So we can use the alias also, like we can use the context also instead of describe. Okay, same thing. What is the difference between it block and specify? Both are work-wise both are same, but specify is the alias of it block. We will discuss about the alias in next video. So let's start the test case. Okay, npx cypress open. We can keep it the constants instead of describe. It is like look like very good. Okay, our test case is constant specify con contact and specify. Okay, we are running your test case. See, first one used described block is running. You can see use it block. It block. Now is constant is going use constant block, and this is constant is going, and use specify block is specify block also is working. So like that we can use the different like alias you can use. Okay.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.